Hi guys, let's look inside the dissolved PC to see which electronic components we can save. Their disk drive contains a very sophisticated 3-phase brushless motor that is very silent and can work for years without problems. In some disks, the motor is integrated with the case, Western Digital for example. In others, it can be removed from the case. These motors usually have 3 or 4 terminals and can be driven with the appropriate driver. This is one of the main components that you should save from a PC. The PSU is easy to use and powerful. I made an entire video for it and you can find it in the description or end screen of this video. Some of these components, like CPU and RAM, can't be reused in electronic projects, but I choose to keep them as a spare part for other PCs as they don't require much space to be stored. The ID cable have a standard 2.54mm pin distance, as Arduino and a lot of other evaluation boards. You can use these cables to connect one prototype board to another or a board to another. Be careful to the pinout when you use these cables because not all cables have a straight pinout. In the floppy disk drive we can find the two motors. One is a stepper motor with linear actuation and the other is a brushless motor. With a USB hub we can make an USB charger to charge up to 4 devices. We just need to connect 5 volts between the red cable and the black cable and to use a generic 5 volts power supply output. Inside the CD-ROM we can find 2 linear actuators. The first one is the one that moves the laser over the disk and is moved by a little stepper motor. The second one is the entire CD slot that can be driven with 5 volts on the DC motor. As you can see, even inside an old PC there can be useful things. I hope this video is useful to someone. Thanks for watching.